Hi everybody, Mrs. Aimee here. We're outside today playing in the sandbox with Haley and Audrey. And we are going to play a game called What Do You Hear? So here we're working on what questions and who questions and animal identification and animal sounds. So you ready? This is how we play. Okay, listen. 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 What do you hear? I hear a moo, 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 moo. I hear a moo. Who says moo?
A cow.
Tell me, I found a cow.
I found a cow.
Good job. All right, let's try one for Audrey. Ready? Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a ba, 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 ba. I hear a ba. Who'd you find?
Yay.
Who is it?
I see a ba.
Good. A sheep says ba. You can put it in. Go ahead. Audrey, who says ba?
Me.
Who says ba?
What?
The sheep. If they don't understand that question, you can give them that phonemic prompt. Sh for sheep or k for cow. All right, let's do one more for Haley. Ready?
What?
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a oink, 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 oink. I hear an oink. Who says oink? Who says oink?
Me.
I need your words.
Pig.
A pig. Tell everybody.
Pig.
What does a pig do?
Oink.
Very good. A pig says oink. So you just need some sand or something to bury your animals in, and you can play this with farm animals. You could do zoo animals. You could do pets and then have them sort between the farm, the zoo, and the house. Or you could do it with vehicles and animals and have them sort the vehicles and animals and just have them listen for the sound. Or you could just say the animal, find the, and just bury them. But you could still see a little bit of their head popping out. Right? So this is a really fun game, and you could do so many different activities with it.
Now can I do it?
I hope you guys have fun playing at home in your sandbox with your animals. If you don't have a sandbox, you can use just a container with all different things in it, like rice or pasta or ice cubes, right? A little bit of sensory play and a language activity all in one, and we get to be outside on this beautiful day. All right, I hope you guys have fun playing this game, and I miss you, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.